Hello, my name is Dan Haley, and today I will be showing you how to implement an academic intervention called Incremental Rehearsal. Incremental rehearsal helps students answer knowledge-based level questions, increases retention of newly learned items, and also increases fluency and automaticity in known facts. Incremental rehearsal can be used for a variety of knowledge level skills and is effective in letter and sound correspondence, learning new sight words, vocabulary words, number identification, and basic math facts. Before you begin, you'll need student data of specific known and unknown facts and flashcards for that particular skill. Let's begin. In this example, the skill I will be practicing in this one-on-one intervention is number identification. From previous data, I will know that the student's unknown number will be 4. This will be the target number and will be listed off first. With my student, I will point to this number and say, "This is 4. Say 4. After the student repeats the number, I will begin to add in the student's known numbers, placing them in a row behind the first unknown number. I will go back to the beginning of my row with the unknown number and have the student say each one as I point. 4, 9. I will add another known number and the student will say the number names as I point. 4, 9, 13. Continue this process, still adding already known numbers to the row. The student will continue saying the numbers as you point to each one, going across the row. I will keep adding known numbers until I get 9 total cards to practice. As you and the student go through identifying numbers, the student may have an error. If the student has an error, correct the student, say the right number, and repeat that row again until all are correct. From our previous data, I know that the 4 was the target number I wanted this student to practice. Once the student is able to repeat the entire row without errors, that original unknown number becomes known. You can repeat this process until all unknown numbers have become known numbers by continually switching out different cards for your set in your row. Continue using incremental rehearsal with students until all unknown facts become known facts. Students become more fluent and will have better confidence in their abilities.